Kaya wag mong sabihin at wag kang magmamalinis dito na sila lang, puro sila din naman. Well, man, ikaw yung hepe. Dapat doon pa lang kagad nakita mo na napakaraming pera. You would have stopped them. At maging itong si Dumasig, wag ka magpa-santo-santo yung mukha dyan. Ano ka, tanga? Engineer ka? Hindi mo man lang sinumbong sa proper authorities? May chain of command, merong tumahimik ka muna dyan, Bryce Hernandez, wag ka muna sumasagot-sagot. Ikaw, Dumasig, you could have went to Metro Manila sa office ni Secretary. Unless kasabwat din ninyo ang Secretary. O kung wala ka ng tiwala, doon kay RD. Nagsabwatan kasi kayo. Dahil kumita kayong lahat. Kasama ka sa kasino eh. O, pinikit mo na rin kasi ang mata mo. Nasaan yung social responsibility, moral responsibility mo sa bayan na ito? Nanumpa ka pa? Alam mo, Mr. Chair, dapat tanggalan ng lisensya ito ng Philippine Regulatory Commission, ng PRC, ito mga ito eh. Conduct unbecoming. Nanumpa pa kayo. And, Mr. Chair, I think, and with the indulgence of Senator JB, I will not buy the explanation of Engineer JP Mendoza, Mr. Chair. Therefore, I would suggest that we cite this person in contempt, Mr. Chair.
Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.